It's one of the first things that pregnant moms wonder, are they expecting a boy or girl? Many find out what gender their baby will be from sonograms. However, if this isn't an option or you choose not to find out, are there other symptoms that can point towards the gender of the baby? Number 10. Carrying around the middle. Again, this is a theory that women will tell you is proof, while there appears to be no science behind it. If the baby weight is centered around the stomach and the bump is wider rather than a neat ball-shaped round, don't be surprised if people tell you that it is a girl. There doesn't appear to be real evidence to back this up. The size of the mom during pregnancy is mostly related to the way she looked before she was pregnant and how her body weight was distributed then. This will no doubt not stop people telling moms that they swore by this rule and that it is accurate. Number 9. Severe morning sickness. If a mom is having bad morning sickness, the theory is that she is more likely to be having a baby girl. A higher percentage of pregnant moms who suffered from severe morning sickness ended up having girls. This is thought to be because of higher levels of estrogen in the baby. There is some scientific backup to this theory. Carrying a baby girl will increase a woman's level of estrogen, and this is known to cause sickness. However, as the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, found out, extreme morning sickness can occur with boys as well. The Duchess suffered from hypergravida with all 3 of her pregnancies, and only one baby is a girl. Number 8. Breakouts and oily skin. Pregnancy is meant to be a time for blooming, but some women find that their skin breaks out in spots and pimples. This is said to be a sign that a mom-to-be is expecting a girl, but if the skin is clear and pimple-free, it is more likely to be a boy. Skin is apt to change during pregnancy because of a change in hormones, but also because blood volume is increased to help the baby to develop, so more blood is pumped all over the body, including the face, according to Very Well family. Number 7. Left one grows bigger than your right. Women will find many changes in their breasts during the 9 months of pregnancy, and most will notice an increase in size. It is not unusual to go up a cup size or 2 during the 9 months. However, according to Made for Mums, if the left breast grows at a faster rate than the right, this is a sign that the mom is expecting a girl, and if the right one grows bigger, it is a sign of a boy. Breast tissue will grow and change in pregnant moms as the breasts prepare for feeding a baby. Possibly one might grow at a different rate than the other, but there isn't any basis for this being an indication of gender. Number 6. Severe mood swings. Due to the number of hormones being produced by a pregnant body, it is understandable that a pregnant mom will suffer from mood swings. However, one theory is that these severe mood swings signify that a mom is expecting a girl. According to American Pregnancy, this symptom is very common in pregnant women. Apart from the increase in hormones, it is a time of change for parents, and some may feel stressed by the prospect of what is going to happen. Tiredness plays a big part in mood swings too, regardless of the sex of the baby, and most pregnant women are extremely tired. Number 5. Your face looks rounder. The old wives' tales also say that if a mom's face grows fuller and rounder, this is because she is expecting a baby girl. Bizarrely, if a mom's nose grows bigger during pregnancy, some will swear that's a prediction of a baby girl too. As the mother gains weight all over her body, the face will fill out, and pregnant moms are likely to suffer from some water retention too. This swelling, known as edema, is a normal symptom of pregnancy, although if it gets very bad it is worth getting it checked out in case it is a symptom of preeclampsia. Number 4. You sleep on your right side. When you wake up from some much-needed rest, check which side you slept on. Some believe that it is possible to tell the sex of the baby from which side the mom sleeps on. If she sleeps on her right side, it's a girl. If she sleeps on the left, it's a boy. Pregnant moms, particularly in the first trimester, will probably not care which side they are sleeping on as long as they are sleeping. Growing a baby is hard work, and the body will respond by giving the mom extreme fatigue. Don't worry if this is happening in the first trimester, the second is meant to be the time for energy and vitality. Number 3. You're past the due date. Later in the pregnancy, mums who go beyond their due date are more likely to have girls. If a baby is born on time, it is more likely to be a boy. So, if the pregnancy goes beyond 40 weeks, the belief is that it is more likely to be a girl. The exact dates of a pregnancy are variable. A sonogram is the best indicator of dates as pregnancy is taken from the first day of a woman's cycle rather than the date of conception. Even sonograms can't predict whether a baby will be especially big or small, so a due date is still only a guide, and many babies, boys and girls, are born after the 40-week mark. Number 2. Quick fetal heart rate. Past moms swear that they can tell if they are having a baby girl if the fetal heart rate is fast. According to this belief, if the rate is over 140 beats per minute, this means it is a girl. The science behind this is that a baby girl tends to be smaller, therefore has a quicker heart rate. Midwives will check the baby's heart rate to make sure that all is well, and it can range from 130 up to 160 beats per minute, but as to this being a factor in the gender of the baby, the jury is out. There will be plenty of moms with girls who will say they heard a low heart rate and plenty of moms who have given birth to whoppers. So much for the small baby theory. Number 1. You're carrying high. There seems to be no sound proof of this old wives' tale, but this will not stop women from predicting the sex of the baby from where the mom is carrying the bump. If the bump is high, mothers will swear that means that the baby is a girl. If the baby is low, then you will be told it is a boy. Although there doesn't seem to be evidence of this being based in science, there will be no shortage of well-meaning strangers and friends telling expectant moms that they can definitely tell from this sign. Belly says that there is no doubt they will have numerous examples to back up this fact.